In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your perfect fried rice. First of all, we are starting with our meat. You're going with your beef seasoning, with your curry, your ginger and garlic, your Knorr seasoning cube, your cayenne pepper, thyme, your salt, and you marry everything together. Make sure they are properly mixed. So you have already cooked your meat and set aside. We are going in with our cooking oil and onion, bay leaves. You mix everything because this is fried rice and we are frying everything. You go into your curry, you go in with your thyme, you make sure you stir and mix everything together. Don't forget to go in with your ginger and garlic and your pepper, and you mix everything, marry everything together. We are frying all our seasoning because we want that flavor and that aroma. Then you go in with your rice, your washed rice. You fry this rice very well. We are frying this rice not because it is called fried rice, but we don't want our rice to go bad quickly. See how my rice is looking? Very dry. Then you go in with your stock. You add your seasoning cube to taste. You add your salt to taste. We are adding fried rice seasoning. Our rice is ready. I'm using sesame oil to fry my vegetables. It's optional. And I go in with my liver because I need to fry this liver. I like my liver very crunchy and dry. So it's optional. You can fry it and you can leave it like that. And I go in with my carrots because it's hard, so I need to fry it first. And I go in with my green pea. Everything in this video is fry. Then we go in with our green beans. You fry your green beans very well. Make sure it's well fried. We are going in with our green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper. In this one, we are not frying it too much. We are going in with our sweet corn, our spring onion, cut your cabbage the shape and the size that you want it to be. And this is how we am doing my carrots. You can do it this way or you can do it your own way. And we are going in with our white vinegar. Optional, it's optional, you can add it. Then our bama mayonnaise and our sugar, and you stir and you mix your cabbage and carrots together. And here we have our sweet salad and our food is ready. Thanks for watching. Please let me know where you are watching from, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want me to make next. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.